Hey everyone, my name is Samer Forzley. I'm the CEO of Simutech Multimedia, and today I want to continue a conversation we started last week related to assessments. And one area I want to kind of focus on today is the whole idea of using electrical wiring trainers or boards to assess somebody's skill set. Last week we talked about three things that you need to consider when you are evaluating an assessment tool: scalability, short-term benefit, and the long-term benefit. So when it comes to these boards, from a scalability point of view, they do not give you that scalability because when you build them, there's only so many faults you can introduce into them. Plus, a supervisor or manager has to sit and watch an employee, and you can only put one employee through at a time. In most cases, you have to reset the board every time and start over. So it doesn't scale, but also doesn't translate across the organization. If you have multiple plants, multiple shops, how do you actually get a consistent assessment across all locations? And on the short term, the benefit of them actually is you can watch, and it has a nice feel to it. And so you can watch somebody go through it and observe the facial expressions, etc., and see how they're doing. So from a short-term point of view, it kind of works. Where it does not work is in the long term, because you don't have that data and assessment and to watch the improvement over time. And so what you need to think through and what you need to consider is that are there tools out there that give you the ability to scale assessment across the board, but also give you that data and drive decision making for training, for skills gaps, for who you bring in to hire or to train based on data and data measurements over time. Is that employee improving? And so we have a lot of tools that can help you assess your employees over time or in a snapshot. Please go to our website. There's an assessment section, simutechmultimedia.com, and we hope to hear from you soon.